What's up, it's Roy here. So today I have the Caseology Athlex case for my Google Pixel 6a. This case is going to cost you $16.99 on Amazon, and it comes in 3 colors. You got gray, which I have here, and then they also do come in a green and a orange as well, which basically it is the color of the border around the camera bump where the color change happens. Now, if you want to buy this case after watching this video, do follow my Amazon affiliate link down below. So let's take a peek here at the actual case. So I've been using this case all day today. I really like this case. I really liked it on my S22, and that does not change with this one for the Pixel 6a. So as you can see in the interior, you got this really bright gray interior here. You kind of got that psychedelic pattern going on, which very much reminds me of the Spigen interior, which obviously Spigen and Caseology are kind of one and the same. Then you got some different kind of branding in here. Caseology in Irvine, California, made in South Korea. Caseology branding, protective case, has reinforced bumpers. So just like Spigen cases, it's their version of air cushion technology, where if you drop it, it's going to help dissipate the energy away. It does have good drop protection. So let's grab the Pixel 6a here and slap it on. So I always try to start with the button side first, then push in. Very simple install. And there we have it, guys. There is the case installed. Now, one thing I will point out about this case, guys, is this insane grip that this case has. You can just see it. It's like sandpaper. It's nutty. So Caseology branding, got some ridges there. Not really sure what the purpose of this is, but I have noticed that as I'm holding my phone, my index finger tends to rest there. And then as you go to the camera bump here, you can kind of see that it is nicely raised. A little bit different texture here versus what is the back. So more of like a plastic or polycarbonate or something like that. But definitely, as you can see, the lenses are nicely recessed in there, so you're going to get some lens protection out of it. Looking at the case's side, got some really great texture here, guys. Volume up and down button is raised. The power button is raised. You got the same texture as the back of the phone. And then this is where it gets pretty interesting. You got this really great dot pattern texture here, where it is insane how grippy it is right here. Like just rubbing up against it with my finger, it's so grippy. And then going to the bottom here, we definitely have a nice little generous cutout here for the actual USB-C charging port and our speakers there. So definitely not bad at all. And then going to the side here, kind of the same scenario, right? So nothing going on other than just that grippiness. And then there is, looks like, let's see. Yep. Yeah, we got some Caseology branding here. If I can get it in focus, don't know why. There we go. Don't know what the heck's going on with my camera. And then looking at it from the top, you can see that we do have a hole punch cut out there for the mic. That's the look of it looking at it from the front. So you can definitely see that the case is pretty prominent as far as sticking out just a little, but it is very slim considering it is a very rugged case. And then looking at it from the top here, you can see how the look is whenever you are looking at the speaker. So definitely gonna just kind of cover it just a little bit, but very clean look. And then there it is again. So now let's go ahead and check the shakiness of this case. So let's do face down first. There is no shake at all. And then let's do back down. And there is no shake at all, and also no shake at the top. So I point that out because with the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, that bump just sticks out just a little bit more. So when you set it back down, it tends to rock a little bit, but with this case on, it does not do that at all. So folks who care about that stuff, you can rejoice. Now let's go ahead and check the clickiness. So let's do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button first. Volume up and down. All right, extremely clicky and tactile buttons. So if you are someone that loves clicky buttons, it definitely passes my clicky button test. Now, there is no wireless charging on the Pixel 6a, so I'm not even going to get out my Qi wireless charger. So one thing I will just say, guys, is like I said, the whole kind of theme of this video is grippiness. This case is insanely grippy. You got some really nice raised lips around the front of the screen. So all around, guys, you got a really good case here that's going to protect your phone. But I just can't get over how insanely grippy this case is. It is super, super grippy. I absolutely love this texture. So like I said, if you do put it kind of on your leg, which I've talked about that before in videos, and you just sit there and you rest your leg or you rest your phone on your leg, this will not slide around. It definitely has a very great grip. There is no fingerprint issues. I haven't noticed any smudge issues with like the oils from my hands. So all around, guys, this is a fantastic case for $16.99. You cannot beat it. So hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.